Transferring money from Doordash to Dasherdirect is very easy. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. To transfer money from Doordash to Dasherdirect, you need to follow these steps. So, first of all, update your payout method to Dasherdirect through the Earnings tab of your Dasher app. Once you start receiving your Doordash earnings in your Dasherdirect prepaid account, use your virtual card for online purchases, bill payments, transfers to other bank accounts, and more. Now, to transfer funds to another bank, tap on Move Money, tap on Recipient, then Add, and complete the form. You will need to enter your bank's routing number as well as your bank account number. If you're transferring funds to another bank, you will also need to enter your recipient's name, address, and their bank's routing number. After specifying the amount, you will need to confirm the transfer. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Your transferred earnings should now be available in your Dasherdirect account, and you can use them to get cash back on everyday purchases.